Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Elgato Facecam with OBS Studio step by step clearly. Start by thoroughly unboxing your Elgato Facecam. Remove all protective coverings and ensure all components are intact. Connect the Elgato Facecam to your computer using the provided USB cable. Install OBS Studio on your computer if you haven't done so already. Launch OBS Studio once the installation is complete. Click on the plus icon under the Sources box at the bottom of the OBS window. Select Video Capture Device from the list of source options. A new window will appear. Name your new video capture device and click OK. In the next window, find the Device drop-down menu. Select Elgato Facecam from the list of available devices. Adjust the resolution and frame rate settings according to your preferences. Click OK to save your settings. You should now see a preview of the Elgato Facecam in the main OBS window. If necessary, adjust the position and size of the camera feed by dragging the corners of the preview window. To configure additional settings, right-click on the source in the Sources panel. Click on Properties to access further options. Make adjustments such as exposure, white balance, and other camera settings to optimize your video quality. Once you are satisfied with the configuration, click OK to confirm changes. Your Elgato Facecam is now set up and ready to use with OBS Studio. Perform a test recording or live stream to ensure everything is functioning properly. Adjust audio settings and other sources as needed for a complete setup. You are now prepared to create engaging content using your Elgato Facecam with OBS Studio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.